Cooked vegetables 78. Cooked vegetable potatoes with brown mustard seed spice pattern. The usual Indian 3 tablespoons peanut oil or peanut oil with a pat of butter, 1 teaspoon brown mustard seeds, 1 green bell pepper, chopped 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 3 large potatoes, cut in 1/2 in chunks, 1/4 seawater, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Heat the oil and cook the mustard seeds covered until they begin to pop. Add the bell pepper and saute about 3-5 minutes. Add the rest of the spices, the potatoes and the water. Cover, reduce to a low flame and cook until potatoes are tender, about 15-20 minutes. Check periodically to see if you need more water to keep the mix from burning. When the potatoes are done, uncover and cook another few minutes. If the dish is wetter than you want, add lemon juice. Heat another 2-3 minutes, and serve. Variations: omit the mustard seeds and use whole cumin seeds instead. Cook the cumin seeds in the oil until they turn a darker brown. Then proceed with recipe. For a spicier dish, add some seeded and chopped small green chilies to the oil after the seeds, and cook them for 2-3 minutes before adding the bell pepper. Cooked spicy cabbage spice pattern. The usual Indian 2 to 3 tablespoons peanut oil, 1 teaspoon whole brown mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon whole cumin seeds, 1-2 small green chilies, seeded and chopped, 1-2 mid onions chopped, 3 sea cabbage, green, red or both, finely chopped, 1/2 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons lemon juice.